A few months back, we saw the reveal of the new midsize 2019 Volvo V60 wagon. It's a handsome hatch that replaced a solid but aging car, drawing much influence and character from the larger V90 wagon and the new crop of Volvos as a whole. Despite the rising tide of crossovers, Volvo refuses to abandon its long roof roots. Like the 90 series models, more V60 variants were on their way. Today we have our first look at the new V60 Cross Country. The original Cross Country debuted in 1997 on the V70 platform. America was hot and heavy for SUVs, and the Cross Country represented a nice middle ground between car-based wagons and truck-based utility vehicles. Volvo took the same approach that we saw with the Legacy-based Subaru Outback. Take an existing platform, lift the suspension to add a bit of ground clearance and tack on some cladding to give the new model a more rugged appearance. The formula worked, and we've seen it applied to a number of Volvo sedans and wagons since then. The new model is no different. The V60 Cross Country sits nearly 3 inches taller than the V60 wagon. Power from the turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 sent to all four wheels. A mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid will arrive in the future. All-wheel drive comes standard, and the V60 Cross Country comes with hill descent control and an off-road driving mode. Like past models, the new V60 Cross Country is styled with plastic cladding along the entire bottom edge of the car. Inside, the V60 Cross Country is indistinguishable from the standard V60. That's hardly a bad thing, as Volvo has been knocking it out of the park when it comes to interior design. We can't say the same for Volvo's infotainment system, though it does come with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Volvo City Safety with Autobrake is standard. Other active safety features include runoff road mitigation, oncoming lane mitigation, and cross-traffic alert. The car will be available through Care by Volvo.